You know, when you want to get into a new nail brand, but you just feel so overwhelmed. What base do I use? What goes in the middle? And what do I put on top? Don't worry, in this video, I will go over everything you need to know to get started with Vogue so you don't have to panic.
The first system that we're going to have a look at is the gel polish system. And here's the quick overview of the products that we'll need. First optional step is Super Bond. This is an air drying bonding agent that creates an extra strong bond between your gel product and the natural nail. Then we have the base, and to make sure that you'll not confuse it with any other product, it is called I'm a base. This one acts like a double-sided sticky tape and needs a 60-second cure. Next up is the color that you want to apply in thin coats and cure for 60 seconds. This is a true gel polish, which means that it's 100% gel with no added solvent, and it's also HEMA-free. The final step is your top, and here you got two options. I'm a no wipe, which you can probably tell by the name, is a shiny top coat without a tacky layer. And then I'm a matte, which is a matte top coat. Pretty straightforward. Moving on to the hard gel system, and for this we need a base, builder, color, and top. So let's break it down. First up, we have the same super bond as with the gel polish system, and this is once again an optional step if you need that extra touch of bonding for your stubborn type of nails. The base here is called Connect and is also part of the builder in a bottle system, but works for all Vogue hard gels. If you're doing a refill, you only need to apply this over the new exposed part of the nail. Now you can go ahead and choose your builder gel. You have the CBS build, which is part of the builder in a bottle system. Or if you prefer working from a pot, then you have the Simply gels or the premium modeling resins with a higher viscosity. Once your nails are built and shaped, you can move on to the color. And here you don't even have to think because all Vogue colors will work great. For our last step, you have two hard gel top coats, Shine, which is tack-free, and Super Shine, which leaves a tacky inhibition layer. Then you can of course also use any of the gel polish top coats as well. They are just more porous because of how they are formulated. So if you have a hairdresser as a client, you might want to choose Shine or Super Shine as they are more stain resistant. Make sure that you save this video if you need to come back and find the information in the future.